about to be on our own here. Beautiful day for fishing. We can't keep them off. Just got started. I think we got 4 already. And you can see how far away we are from the helicopter. Just got my fly line out, putting away. Yeah, baby, there it is, magic. Hey, Bri, how's that, buddy? Hey? Yee-hoo! The old fish aren't safe today, Bri. Yeah, man. It's a magical place, eh, youngster? Look at that. We're on our own. Hey, let's go get them. There, buddy. Got yourself a nice little Alpine Lake rainbow trout. Beautiful. We got father and sons today. How's the fishing so far, Bri?
Great, awesome.
Awesome? All right, we'll get that guy back. While we're doing that, son number 3, he's over there. He's got himself a nice rainbow. How big is it? 18 inches? Sounds good. Okay, back to fishing, boys. How about that scenery, eh, guys? How about that scenery? Something else, isn't it, buddy? Hey, Clay? All right, back to fishing. We're up here fishing a little Alpine Lake in the middle of nowhere. What do you got there, buddy? A beautiful rainbow?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get him back in the water. Okay, let's see him swim off. Oh, there he goes. Back to the depths. You've been having a lot of fun there, Clay?
Yeah.
Money, buddy, it's money. Okay, we're having a great day. Checking out the scenery. How was that helicopter ride?
Awesome.
Awesome, wasn't it? Yeah, right up through the mountains, having a great day. There's Dad, he's been slaying them. Your brother, he kind of took off on his own. He's slaying them too. I don't know how many fish we got so far, but the scenery, the fishing, everything, it equates to a beautiful day, doesn't it, buddy?
Yep.
You guys are so fortunate that your dad's got you up here. I thought it was your birthday or something. You guys are just lucky, just lucky. Anyhow, back at her.
Yeah.
All right, Caden, what do you got there, bud? Oh, you got a nice rainbow. Oh, wait a second. We got Clay. We got a double header going on here, buddy. Hey, Clay, what do you got there, bud? Oh, that's a bent rod. He's taking you deep. He's taking you deep. Okay, let's get the fish out of that net quick. I'm gonna watch Clay's fight here. We got a little too much going on right now. Hey, Clay. A little guidance from the old fish finder. Next thing you know, you're pounding them, eh, buddy? That's what it's all about right there. Hey, fish in the net, buddy. You got the fish of the day. Okay, what do we got there, Caden? That's a beautiful rolled rainbow. Let's get him back in the water. He's trying his best to get out of there. Okay, off he goes. All right, there you go. He's good to go. Okay, well, so hey, how many fish you got so far today, buddy?
Like 7 or 8.
7 or 8? Yeah. We've only been here an hour. Hey? Okay, hold her up nice and high there, bud, for a second. We'll see if I can zoom in a little bit. Buddy, that is a slab. Slab. Okay, get him back in the water. Let's get him going. Good job, Clay. Double headers all day long. Check out that scenery. 14 inch. What was yours? 13? Not the biggest fish today, but I'll tell you one thing. When it's non-stop action, it's a lot of fun, isn't it? Yeah. Hey, buddy? Yep. We're just gonna do a little panoramic shot here. So it's probably a little shaky there. There's a lot going on. But we got these boys dialed in. I think Dad just went into the shore to go and get his GoPro. But this lake is a very special place. Hey, Caden, wouldn't you say? That's a special place, isn't it, buddy? Yep. All right, back to fishing. Hey, Clay, how's the fishing, boy?
Good.
It's good fun, eh? How you making out, Caden? Still crushing them? It's like you got Smarties on there and you're just feeding them. Feeding them. Anyhow, man, this is a beautiful day. Hey, it's kind of cool how you got all these nice clouds kind of rolling up over the hilltops. It's beautiful, man. Hey, half a second there. Caden's on another one. Caden's killing him. Good job, buddy. The youngster over there, he reminds me a little myself. He's like a fish magnet. Hey, Clay? Your brother's a fish magnet, isn't he? Hey? Does he do that well with the chicks or what? Oh, he back at her here. And what do you got there, buddy? Beautiful rainbow. Beautiful rainbow. Anyhow, let's get this big fella going. Back in the water. Alright, stay with him for a second. We'll get this guy going. Alright, he looks like he's good to go. Yeah, a little bit of side-to-side action there. Off you go, big fella. There he goes. Good job, man. Nice fish. Hey, thumbs up, buddy. Hey, there it is. So what do you think your official count is now, Caden? Probably 20 fish? Man, you are crushing it. 10. 10? I seen you catch 10 just right there. You're killing it, man. Yeah, okay. We'll give you the 13, okay. But anyhow, let's go get some more, buddy. Let's get some more. Man, that scenery doesn't get old, does it, buddy? Hey, Brian. Sometimes we gotta show the boys how it's done, eh?
Right.
What do you got there? You got yourself a nice little rainbow trout. This lake is absolutely full of fish, isn't it, Brian?
Yeah, it is. Oh, that's a nice one.
That is.
That's the biggest one of the day.
That's one of your nicer ones, buddy? Here, let's get in. I'm just gonna get in a little closer so you can see what we're doing. Oh, you got that guy hooked perfect right in the beak. Anyhow, we'll get the hook out of him. I'm gonna check out the scenery here for a second. The scenery sure is something, isn't it, Brian?
Oh, yeah.
Alright, there you go. Let's have a look at that beauty. That's a beautiful rainbow. Okay, let's bring him over to my side so we can see him leaving. Hey, look at the shine on that. There we go, buddy. Off he goes. Come on. Get going. Get going. Get going. He's shell-shocked. He's getting... Oh. He's like a shark.
Yeah.
There he goes.
Nice.
Tough day, isn't it, Brian?
That was a nice one.
Hey? Anyhow, we're going to get right back to fishing. We got to make sure that we show a little video of Dad kicking some butt here, so...
You know, I can take a video of that.
That's right. We made a couple minor adjustments to your gear there. We lengthened up your leader, and we put on a fly that the boys have been really smacking them. So, yeah, if you want to point your tip to me, I'll give you a hand to get that out. Anyhow, we're gonna get right back to fishing. All right, Brian. Doing a little cast in here.
Nice.
Cast. Let's see the fish there. Nice colors. Oh, we're giving away the pattern. Off he goes. Back to get bigger, buddy. Get bigger. We like them. Non-stop action, eh, buddy?
Yeah.
Pretty well every cast, every second cast. We're just casting at the shallows here. They seem to be in there feeding right now. We got a little nymph pattern that we've tied up, and it's definitely been working really well. We've been bouncing between greens and reds, and what was that pattern you were using earlier? It was brown with a little bit of green cactus flecks. So anyhow, we're gonna carry on. Brian's showing me how it's done here. Hey, look at the technique. Man, flawless. Flawless technique. Let's see if we can get one here on the cast. Not the biggest fish today, eh, Brian? But it's a beauty. It's non-stop, one after another, hey, bud? The poor fish don't stand a chance today, eh, Brian? What do you think of the scenery here, Brian? Hey? The air is clean and fresh. It's kind of nice watching these clouds race over the mountain today too. It's been slightly entertaining. Beautiful day. Let's see you get another one here, Brian. Let's see you get another one. I want to watch you for a minute here. Get that line back out there, buddy. All right, Brian. Let's see what you got there, buddy. That there is a bent rod, buddy. What do you got on the other end? Looks like it's a decent rainbow trout.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's a,
Oh! There,
wow.
there we go, buddy.
dude.
Hey? You wouldn't-
Wow.
Hey, when you watch this video a little later, you're gonna be amazed at the setting behind you. Not just those colorful fish, but I'm gonna try my best to get back over here to you. Let's see what we got. Okay, here we go. Look at the color of that fish, man.
Biggest one of the day.
That is.
Holy smokes.
That's a nice rainbow, buddy. Anyhow, let's get the hook out of him and we'll get him right back. All right, Brian, what do you say to that, bud?
That's awesome.
That's a beautiful picture. There he goes. There we go.
Wow.
That's what we want to see. Hey, buddy, one more time. We're in the money setting here. We're catching nice rainbow trout all day long. We got a good shot of Brian there with Alpine meadows in the background. And we're just wrapped it up for the day. Helicopter's gonna be here in about 20 minutes. So we gotta get things packed up and put away. All in all, Brian, what do you say, buddy? Been a good day? Been a great day. All right, signing out.
It's all right.
It's gonna get pretty windy here.
Packed up and get going.